Today's topic is how the blend tool is used in t-shirt designing. Choose the font. The font name is Austral Slab. Blur Regular. Download font. Save a copy of the font. Create outline. Go to Edit and copy the font. Paste in back. Shorten the copy below. Change the color and take another copy. Object plus Blend plus Make. Again, Object plus Blend option. Specified steps plus 100. Change the color of the copy of the saved font and paste it on top. Drag your design from Illustrator to Photoshop. Place your design on the mockup and press Ctrl+S. Now your design is ready for presentation.